Hi, my name is John, and in this video I will show you how to edit this template. This is the 02 fancy tabs floating or fancy bricks, and now you can see that when the tab enter in the section, this change the color, and you can see that this change on click. Okay, you can navigate in the sections or the tab. I will show you how to edit. On mobile, you can see that in mobile this change, but in this tutorial I will show you how to set and tabs like a menu. But for default, you can see that this is the way to show the tabs on mobile. Okay, but I will show you how to set this like a menu. Okay, this is the template, this is the fancy bricks tabs, this is the container, and you can see that this is the element tabs. Okay, this element tabs, this is the header. Okay, in the header you can see that this is the tabs. Okay, tab 1 2 3 you can see, and in the tab, okay, click on the class style. You can change the layout, okay, the padding, the background, okay, the border. You can change this border, and this is the CSS. On you need change this value on active. Okay, you don't see the change in the bricks builder. Okay, you can see the active tab in the web. Okay, for this is the active background, for example red. Okay, and you can change the color. Okay, save, reload, and now you can see sorry, red, reload, and now you can see that this change, and you can change this value for the tab active, and if you need you can change this color for the title. Okay, and the hover. Okay, hover, this is the black hover. You can click on the tab. Okay, click on the class, select hover, and you can change the background. Okay, and the typography. This is the way to edit this tab. Okay, you can change the icon, the title. It's very important that you don't delete this class and don't rename this class, because this is a custom tab, and you can see that this is the code. You can study the code, but you don't need to touch this except this number. Okay, in one moment I will show you how to edit this number. Okay, this is the tabs, this is the main, this is the content, this is the inner. Okay, and the content, inner. Okay, and into the inner you can set your design. Okay, you can add your elements, you can set your design in the inner. Okay, you can delete this, you can delete this, but don't delete the inner, don't delete the content. Okay, if you need to add other content, okay, you can duplicate the content and delete this element, delete this, and only work into the inner. Okay, in this case I add other content in the header I add other tab. Okay, this is the I save, reload, and now you can see that this is other tab, and this is the fourth tab. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and the navigation is dynamic. You only need duplicate and set the different tabs and different contents. It's very important that the same number of tabs set the same name, the same number of content elements. Okay, and delete this. You can change the style on the content, click on the class, you can change the padding, you can change the background. Okay, and edit this style, the inner. Okay, you can change the background. Okay, but the design, and you can set the design here, and you can change this. Okay, this is the inner one, and inner 2. Okay, you can set the class for the inners, but don't delete and don't change the class, the name class for fancy bricks, fancy tabs content. It's very important that you don't delete and don't change the name of this class, and don't change the name of this class tabs name main, and don't change the name of this class tab. Okay, it's very important that you don't delete these classes. Okay, for the header, okay, you can see that header style, you can see in layout, this is the position sticky. Okay, this is the top to rem, and if you need change this top, for example, okay, 6 rem, you can save, you can see that this work good. Okay, for example, if you nav okay, but if you click on this section, you can see that this is the space, the gap. Okay, this is don't work good, and you need to go to the code content and set change this number. Okay, in this case the tab, the header is 6 rem. Okay, and in the code it's the 16. Okay, change, save, reload, and now you can see that this work good. Okay, this is the way to edit this template in mobile. Okay, this 20 header to rem. Okay, save, and now on mobile you can see that this header, this is the tabs. Okay, you can see that this the header, the tabs, and in the tabs you can see that this is position absolute. Okay, if you don't like this way to show the tabs on mobile, you can change this position absolute for static. Okay, and change the delete top, delete this. Okay, and in this case this is header. Okay, go to the CSS. Okay, tab, click on tab. This is the mobile landscape breakpoint, and you can delete this CSS. Okay, you can delete this, and now you can see that this is the tabs. You can in header, okay, you can go to the layout, change this for static, okay. You can change the gaps for the mobile, okay, row gaps. You can change the row gaps to rem, for example, 1 rem. You can change this. Now save, reload the page, and now this is that like menu, and you can click and navigate for the different sections. Okay, in this case, for this element, you need to go the code, you need change this, okay, first block object offset height, you need set this value, okay. For example, in this case, okay, for example, this is the value. You need change this value, reload, and now you can see that this work much better. Okay, if you nap in the sections, okay, you can change this value, and if you use this, okay, this is on desktop, okay, you can change this value and now work. But if you like this, okay, set the default settings. I hope you like this template, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.